Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to record audio from a YouTube video using Audacity. Let's get started. First, open Audacity. At the top of the window, you'll see the Audio Setup button. Click on this button to open a small drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Audio Settings. This will open the Audio Settings menu. Here, you'll need to make a couple of changes. First, change the host from MME to Windows Wasapi. This setting will allow Audacity to capture the audio directly from your computer's output. Next, change your recording device to your computer's primary output device. This is usually labeled as speakers or headphones, followed by the name of your sound card or audio driver. Once you have made these changes, click the OK button to save them. Now you are ready to record. Click the Record button in Audacity. Then, go to your desired YouTube video and start playing it. Audacity will begin recording the audio from the video. When you are finished recording, hit the Stop button in Audacity. To save your recorded audio, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Export and choose Export Audio. A dialog box will appear where you can name your file and choose the location to save it. Select your preferred format, such as MP3 or WAV, and click the Save button. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully recorded audio from a YouTube video using Audacity. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.